Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. Let's go. MoveSpeed RX20. The MoveSpeed RX20 is an external SSD designed for speed enthusiasts and professionals. With its USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 interface, it delivers impressive read and write speeds of up to 2000 MB per second and 1800 MB per second, making tasks like transferring large 4K UHD videos almost instantaneous. Its durable zinc alloy casing not only ensures heat dissipation, but also makes it resistant to wear and tear, perfect for on-the-go use. The SSD's sleek X-shaped design with RGB lighting adds a futuristic flair, appealing to gamers and tech lovers alike. Beyond aesthetics, this device is highly reliable, with a rigorous 80-hour testing process ensuring stable performance. It supports a wide range of devices, from PS5 to smartphones, thanks to its universal compatibility and included USB-C cable. At 2 TB, it provides ample storage for projects, media, and games. MoveSpeed backs the RX20 with a 5-year warranty and responsive customer service, solidifying it as a top choice for fast and dependable storage. Anker Prime Power Bank. The Anker Prime Power Bank is a powerhouse in a compact form. Equipped with PD 3.1 technology, it offers up to 250 watts multi-device charging through 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A port. Its 27,650 mAh capacity can fully charge an iPhone 14 nearly 5 times or a MacBook Air more than once. Impressively, it recharges in just 37 minutes, making it perfect for travelers or busy professionals. A standout feature is its smart app integration, which provides real-time battery stats and alerts, enhancing usability. The powerbank's compact, soda can size complies with TSA regulations, so it's travel-friendly. Its durable build ensures longevity, and Anker includes a 24-month warranty for peace of mind. Whether you're charging multiple devices or need a reliable backup on the go, the Anker Prime delivers exceptional power and efficiency, cementing its status as a must-have accessory. Jabra Speak2. The Jabra Speak2 takes your audio experience to the next level. Designed for professionals, its crystal-clear sound ensures seamless communication in meetings or calls. The 65mm speaker provides rich dynamic sound for both conversations and music, while intelligent audio technology eliminates background noise for consistent clarity. This compact speakerphone is easy to set up with Bluetooth, USB-A, or USB-C connections, making it a plug-and-play solution for hybrid work setups. Its modern design, touch controls, and included pouch enhance portability, fitting perfectly into any bag. With a remarkable 32-hour battery life, it outlasts even the longest meetings. Certified for major platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, the Speak2 is versatile and reliable. For anyone seeking a high-quality, portable audio solution, this device ensures your meetings sound professional and engaging every time. OwlLabs Meeting Owl 3. The OwlLabs Meeting Owl 3 revolutionizes hybrid meetings with its 360-degree HD video and audio capabilities. It intelligently focuses on speakers, fostering dynamic discussions and inclusive collaboration. Setup is a breeze, taking just 6 minutes from unboxing to operation. This all-in-one device is ideal for rooms of all sizes. It supports expandable configurations with other OwlLabs products, enhancing audio and video coverage for larger spaces. Certified for Microsoft Teams and compatible with popular platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, it seamlessly integrates into existing workflows. With its award-winning Owl Intelligence system, the Meeting Owl 3 ensures remote participants feel as engaged as those in the room. For organizations prioritizing collaboration and efficiency, this device is a game-changer for modern hybrid meetings. NexiGo Aurora Pro. The NexiGo Aurora Pro sets a new benchmark for UST projectors. Featuring ALPD 4.0 RGB+ technology, it delivers vivid visuals with a contrast ratio of 3001. Dolby Vision and HDR10+ compatibility, paired with dynamic laser dimming, ensure lifelike images and deep blacks, making every movie night unforgettable. For gamers, the projector's 120Hz refresh rate and 8 ms input lag provide ultra-smooth motion, even during intense gaming sessions. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the built-in 60-watt stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support for immersive surround sound. The Aurora Pro is a must-have for anyone seeking a cinematic experience or gaming on a massive screen without compromising quality. Its combination of cutting-edge visuals and sound makes it a standout in its category. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit for Smartphone. Transform your smartphone into a professional photography tool with the Xenvo Pro Lens Kit. This versatile kit is compatible with all smartphones, tablets, and laptops, making it ideal for both hobbyists and pros. The TrueView 0.45x wide-angle lens expands your frame by 45%, ensuring crystal clear, distortion-free shots of landscapes, architecture, and more. For close-ups, the Claris 15x macro lens reveals intricate details with precision focus, The Glow Clip rechargeable LED light adds warm, adjustable lighting for perfect photos, even in low light settings. It's a game changer compared to harsh built-in flashes. The included quick-release lanyard and durable travel case ensure your gear is safe and accessible for on-the-go photography. Crafted with premium optical glass and aircraft-grade aluminum, this kit combines durability with exceptional image quality. Whether you're capturing breathtaking scenery or fine details, this lens kit enhances your smartphone's camera, letting you create stunning visuals effortlessly. It's a must-have for aspiring photographers who demand more from their mobile devices. Gammeefy Switch Controllers. Level up your gaming with the Gammeefy Switch Controllers, offering unmatched comfort and precision. Its full-size ergonomic grip ensures fatigue-free sessions, while Hall-Sense joystick technology eliminates drift, delivering pinpoint accuracy in intense gameplay. The 1000 mAh battery provides up to 10 hours of play, complemented by dazzling lighting effects with customizable RGB modes. With 3 turbo speeds and an auto-attack function, repetitive actions become a breeze. The 6-axis gyro and adjustable vibration enhance your immersion, making every movement in games like Zelda feel lifelike. Innovative design features like built-in game card slots and anti-scratch pads protect your console while keeping essentials within reach. Plus, the controller's wake-up function ensures you jump back into action effortlessly. Packed with practical features and a sleek design, this controller is a reliable companion for both casual and hardcore gamers. Kodak Digital Film Scanner. Revive your cherished memories with the Kodak Digital Film Scanner, a user-friendly device that converts old negatives and slides into digital files. Supporting multiple film types and sizes, this scanner features a crisp 5-inch LCD screen for instant previews and edits. With easy-load film trays and a straightforward scan button, transforming analog memories is quick and hassle-free. The advanced capture software enhances image quality while allowing brightness and color adjustments, making every photo look its best. Compatible with SD cards up to 32 GB and Type-C USB connections, the Kodak scanner integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Its stylish design doubles as a digital photo frame, blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. Whether preserving family heirlooms or decluttering old photo boxes, this scanner makes digitizing your history a delightful experience. SIKAI Case Mini Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. The SIKAI Case Mini Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard combines portability with practicality. Its ergonomic, foldable design includes a magnetic bracket for holding devices up to 11 inches. Though compact, the 60-key layout ensures a comfortable typing experience, perfect for students or travelers. With broad compatibility across iOS, Android, and Windows, this keyboard connects quickly and reliably. Its rechargeable battery lasts up to 45 hours of typing or 90 days on standby, ensuring it's ready when you are. The energy-saving mode further enhances its practicality. Weighing just 250 grams, the keyboard fits effortlessly in your bag or pocket. Ideal for business trips, coffee shop work sessions, or outdoor settings, it delivers convenience and functionality without compromise. If you're seeking a travel-friendly typing solution, this keyboard hits all the right notes. Govee Floor Lamp 2. Elevate your living space with the Govee Floor Lamp 2, a stunning blend of modern design and smart functionality. Standing 60 inches tall, it offers customizable lighting for any mood, from vibrant gradients to calming whites, 2200K to 6500K. With RGB CW technology and a powerful 725mm brightness, this lamp caters to reading, working, or relaxation needs. Its smart features include voice control via Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit, making adjustments effortless. Sync multiple Govee lights for immersive ambiance, or explore over 80 scene modes through the Govee Home app. The lamp's user-friendly setup and customizable timers ensure a seamless integration into your smart home. Perfect for enhancing decor or creating the ultimate entertainment atmosphere, the Govee Floor Lamp 2 is a sophisticated addition to any space. Bwine F7GB2 Drone. The Bwine F7GB drone is an excellent choice for drone enthusiasts, offering a seamless flying experience and impressive features. With FAA compliance and built-in remote ID, it's easy to track the drone if needed. Its 4K UHD camera provides stunning, detailed images, making it a top pick for aerial photography. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stable footage by counteracting vibrations, and the 5x digital zoom allows for diverse shots. With a remarkable wind resistance level of 6, this drone flies smoothly even in breezy conditions. Enjoy up to 50 minutes of flight time with its dual intelligent batteries. Additionally, the drone features a 9,800 feet transmission range for clear, uninterrupted footage. GPS functionality ensures your drone won't get lost, with smart features like auto return and follow me. While charging can take around 6.5 hours, the overall performance and reliability make the F7GB2 a fantastic drone for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. The Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2 is a game changer for hot drink lovers, providing an innovative solution to keeping beverages at the perfect temperature. With a range of 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, it keeps your drink at the ideal warmth for up to 80 minutes or all day with its charging coaster. You can customize the temperature using the Ember app or rely on the default 135 degrees Fahrenheit setting for consistency. Equipped with a smart LED indicator, you'll know when your drink is ready. The mug's auto sleep function helps conserve battery life by detecting motion, while its hand-washable design ensures easy cleaning. Whether you're enjoying coffee at your desk or sipping tea during a break, the Ember Mug 2 offers a sophisticated, practical solution for your drink needs. ProtoArc Vertical Wireless Trackball Mouse. If you're seeking an ergonomic solution to long hours at the computer, the ProtoArc Vertical Wireless Trackball Mouse delivers. Designed with a 62-degree tilt, it promotes a natural grip, reducing strain on your wrist and arm. The thumb-operated trackball eliminates the need for large arm movements, enhancing comfort during use. This trackball mouse features Bluetooth and 2.4G wireless connections, allowing you to easily switch between devices like tablets and Macs. It's equipped with a rechargeable battery and offers a quiet, smooth clicking experience that ensures productivity without disturbing others. Ideal for tight spaces, this mouse works on almost any surface, including your leg or sofa. LeeNabao Smart LED Table Lamp. The LeeNabao Smart LED Table Lamp is a multifunctional device that combines light, sound, and ambiance into one sleek package. With its 4-in-1 design, it functions as a lamp, Bluetooth speaker, alarm clock, and wireless charger, making it an ideal addition to any workspace or bedroom. The 360-degree surround sound system offers crisp audio with rich bass, enhancing your music or relaxation time. You can easily control the lamp with an app, voice commands, or manual buttons. Its adjustable brightness and light color settings help you create the perfect environment for work, study, or sleep. The snooze alarm function ensures a gentle wake-up, and the dimmable light modes cater to various moods. This lamp is a stylish and practical solution for modern living spaces. EUREKA Ergonomic Gaming Desk. The EUREKA Ergonomic Gaming Desk is built for comfort and convenience, offering an advanced dual-motor system for smooth and quiet height adjustments. Whether sitting or standing, the desk's height ranges from 29 inches to 48 inches, perfect for long gaming or work sessions. The addition of anti-collision technology ensures a safe experience, preventing accidents. This spacious 72-inch desk features a wing-shaped design that provides ample room for gaming, streaming, or studio equipment. It also includes customizable RGB lighting, offering multiple colors and effects to match your mood. The desk's 3 shelves provide versatile storage and organization options. Paired with a comfortable keyboard tray and full desk mousepad, the EUREKA Ergonomic Gaming Desk enhances any setup, creating a more efficient and immersive experience. These 15 Amazon gadgets and tools blend practicality with cutting-edge technology, offering solutions for all areas of your life. From compact devices that fit easily into your home to powerful tools that improve productivity, each of these gadgets is designed to save time and make everyday tasks more enjoyable. Whether you're a professional, gamer, or home improvement enthusiast, these tools and gadgets are sure to make a significant impact on your daily routine. Ready to revolutionize your home or workspace? Click the links in our review to explore these amazing Amazon gadgets and tools, and take your routine to the next level today.